Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Karb, and this video is home exercise program, neck roll stretch, and foam roller stretch. As a quick reminder, consult your healthcare provider before starting or changing any exercise program. For background information on this subject, search YouTube for The Science of Sitting Made Simple, Posture and Ergonomics for the Home and Office video. When the normal upright posture collapses, the head moves forward over the body, significantly increasing upper back and neck muscle effort. Also, the normal forward arch of the neck can become straightened or bent backwards. To help correct this rounded deformation of the spine, we can lay down on the back and use gravity to help level the hips, shoulders, and head on one flat surface, and use a neck roll to support the normal forward arch of the neck. To make a neck roll, place several thin kitchen towels down flat and fold them in half. Roll them up as tightly as possible and place a rubber band on either end to keep the roll tight. The size of the roll should be about the diameter made by connecting your thumbs and index fingers in a big circle. While lying flat, place the roll snugly against your upper shoulder muscles. The highest part of the roll away from the surface you're laying on should be at the level of your shirt collar. Do this stretch once per day for 12 to 20 minutes flat on the floor, or if you don't have extra time, on your mattress when you first go to bed at night. When the normal upright posture collapses, the mid-back area also becomes bent out of shape and much stiff. The stiffness is usually concentrated in this area between the top and bottom of the shoulder blades. We are going to be stretching on the back again using gravity to help correct the rounded posture, this time focusing on the mid-back area. So we use the foam roller crossways and roll from the top of the shoulder blade to the bottom of the shoulder blade. Try to keep the head, shoulders, and hips about the same level off the ground. Interlace your fingers behind your head to support the weight of your head. Roll slowly, and the most important part is to be relaxed. Do not curl up, do not roll too fast, do not hold your head forward, just relax. Here are the foam roller rules. The standard high-density roller is 6 inches by 36 inches. Roll once or twice per day for 2 minutes each time. Go slow, stay relaxed. Roll from the top to the bottom of your shoulder blade. Use your hands to help support the back of your head. These home exercise program techniques, along with good posture practices, can help you look and feel better as you regain and maintain a healthy body form.